Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to set any song as alarm sound on Android or on iPhone. So the procedure is same for both. So let's get right into it. Head over to your clock of your phone and move to the alarm tab and then go to the three dots icon on the upper right corner. Then go to settings and now go to the sound option. As you currently see, I have already set my alarm tone as a song, so it will be that one. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. If you want to set a song as your alarm tone, you can do that. As I have said, my hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.